Has this ever happened to you that you're doing an important payment via UPI and for some reason your internet just stops working suddenly? It is quite frustrating when this happens. Often it leads to an embarrassing moment as well. Imagine standing in line for billing in a supermarket. The wait is anyway frustrating, and somehow when you reach your turn, you can't pay due to low internet. Needless to say, you need a savior. You wish if only there was something that ran offline when it came to making a payment through the phone. Owing to digitalization, people generally are not inclined towards keeping much cash anymore. This trend is going upwards, particularly post-COVID. Since almost everything is run on delivery apps, cashless transactions have become the norm. The easier and faster way to do transactions on a daily basis is through Unified Payments Interface, which is UPI. From buying groceries to paying your rent, literally everything can be done through UPI. However, many of us are unaware of what to do if there is no internet while doing a transaction. Well, there is a very simple solution to it. How to make UPI payments without an internet connection. Unstructured Supplementary Service Data, which is called USSD. A USSD-based banking service helps you in such a situation. It lets you request and send money, change UPI PIN, and even check account balance without an internet connection. For the USSD services, the number which you have to dial is *99#. Before seeing how dialing *99# can help you make payments offline, let us first see how to set up this USSD service. Setting up offline payment. The very first step is to dial *99# and kindly make sure the number you're calling from is the same number that is linked to your bank account. A window opens and multiple options for selecting the language gets opened. You can select the language of your choice. Please note that any other number which is not linked with your account number won't work with *99#. Once you have selected the language, the screen prompts you to enter your bank name. You have to enter your bank name in the bar. As you finish this, a window opens showing the bank account number linked with your mobile number. Select the bank account number. After this is done, it asks for the last 6 digits of your debit card number. You need to enter those last 6 digits along with the card's expiry date. Offline payment. Once the setup is done, you will get a list on the screen. It consists of services that you get after calling *99#. The services are Send Money, Request Money, Check Balance, My Profile, Pending Requests, Transactions, and UPI PIN. Click on the first service, that is Send Money. Then enter the UPI ID or phone number of the person you want to send the amount to. You can also enter the person's account number and send the money. After this is done, enter the amount that you want to send. After the amount is sent, you will receive a notification of the payment received. You will be charged a maximum amount of ₹50 per transaction for using the *99# service. To wind up, whenever you cannot do UPI payments due to Wi-Fi or network issues, there is a way out. You don't have to get frustrated or panic. Just take a few deep breaths and follow the above steps. We are quite sure that with these steps, the next time you try to make a payment and the internet does not support you, just dial *99#.